Jenny. Today I will explain to you about the power of thought. Have you ever thought, if I choose another way, I would not have regret until now? I think many people have this experience. Today I want to tell you one story, which when you need to choose the choice, how important it is to think deeply. Korea War broke out in 1950. At the time, 63 countries participated in Korea War. Among the countries, there was John from America who participated in the war. John's mother always waited for her only son. Every day she watched the news and was worried for her son's welfare. Today, how many soldiers die? If my son dies, what can I do? One day, a telephone rang. The mother was surprised. There was no doubt that John is calling. John, you survived! Did you get hurt? I was so worried. When are you coming back home? Mom, how have you been? I have just arrived in USA and I am in a hotel. I will stay overnight at a hotel and I will come back home tomorrow. Okay, quickly come back. I really miss you. I will prepare food that you like. John's mom was so happy about her son being alive. At the time, John said to his mom, Mom, I have a request. What is it? I want to take my friend home. Why not? You can. What kind of friend? My friend had participated in the war with me, but in the war, he lost one eye, one arm, and one leg. I'm sorry to hear that. Tell him to come stay for one night. John started to explain to Mom slowly. Mom, I want to live with my friend forever. No, I should leave my friend forever. When his mother listened, she was confused. What? John, I think because of the war, you became sensitive. John, that is impossible. Think about it. If you live with your friend who has an uncomfortable body, at first that will be fine, but as time goes by, you will be tired and your friend will be an annoying person. Mom, please, really can't I? No, just stay a few days and tell him go back to his home. And his voice became calm and to answer with low tone. Okay, Mom. Okay, please quickly come tomorrow. Mom, yes? Goodbye. We will meet tomorrow. See you tomorrow. The next day, John's mother cleaned John's room and prepared tasty food. But time passed, but still John did not arrive. She started to worry about John. At that time, the telephone rang. She received a phone call from the police station. She at first thought that it was John, but the voice was of a policeman. He asked John's mom, Is this John's house? This is the hospital. Can you come to hospital to check if this man is your son or not? The mom was shocked. Why his son was in the hospital? She asked the policeman what happened to my son. Policeman answered, One soldier fell down in the hotel and he died. John's mother began preparing to go to hospital. While she was going to hospital, she could not believe that her son was dead. She was shocked when she arrived in hospital to check if indeed it was her son. The dead man who lay down in the bed was John. But she started to notice that friend who John had explained to her was her son John. John stepped on a mine in the wall, so he lost one eye, one arm, and one leg. When John looked at himself, he abandoned himself to despair. He thought nobody would like him, and his friends and girlfriend would leave him. But he thought his mother would never leave him. So he lied to his mom that he was the friend, and then, if his mother accepted to live forever with him, he would tell her the truth. When John heard his mother saying she thought nobody would like him, eventually he chose to kill himself. His mother held John and cried and said, "John, why did you not tell me that was you? If I knew that was you, I will become your eye and arm and leg forever." Everyone, how was this story? So sad, right? But if John thought more deeply, this story could change into an impressive story. John did not think deeply. Every parent loves their children more than themselves. If John thought about this fact, John would not have lied to his mom. There are two kinds of thought: first thought and second thought. Consideration is second thought. But these days, many people do not consider and just follow their first thought. Because of that, many problems arise in people's life. So how can we grow our power of thought? First is, do not think I am right every time. Everybody thinks that they are right, but other people's thought may be better at times. Even when you think that you are right, you have to check that your thoughts are really right. When you think like that, you can grow your power of thought. The second is write and apply the failed note. When you experience failure, you can write the failed note and you can think more deeply. The third is throw away a fixed idea. People who have a fixed idea are so difficult to converse with other people. When you're ready to hear two other words, you can converse with other people easily. The fourth is having a habit of thinking deeply. You cannot predict your future. Can you know what is happening after 1 hour? Nobody knows. The situation can change a world of difference as you're thinking. When you meet some situation, do not follow your first thought. Calm down and think again. Last is realizing your insufficiency in yourself and not believing in yourself. Your heart can prepare to be filled with wisdom when you know your insufficiency. True wisdom is knowing insufficiency of oneself. When you know your insufficiency, you can accept what others are saying. Let us read together how to grow the power of thinking in a PowerPoint presentation. First, do not think I am right. Second, write and apply the failed notes. Third, throw away a fixed idea. Fourth, having a habit of thinking deeply. 5. Realizing your insufficiency in yourself and do not believing in yourself. Good job! Please apply these ways in your life. Thank you for listening until now. Bye bye!